So guys, you know, as Jamaicans, we don't really use the dishwasher that much, right? Because to me it just makes sense to use my hand. But ever since Thanksgiving, I don't know what's been going on. This, like in the 2+ years that I've lived here, this is the most that this dishwasher has ever been used in the last week. I think we're just over it. And it helped a lot to just not have to stand here and do the manual labor. Usually we don't use it, but we got a lot of use out of it this week, trust me.